everybody has this notion that I don't want to do TV, and I am only wanting to do films and web, and I've never said that on
Mhm.
record or anything of that. So it is just that because I did a web show, people perceive and feel that I don't want to do TV. TV has made me who I am, and I really respect the medium. It should not be like the
Agreed.
minute any actor says anything or कुछ भी नया होता है तो अरे नया है इतना but I mean, nobody even wants to hear them out. And the same thing when you say when you're a known person, suddenly, oh, he's so intelligent. Oh, let people want to reason out with you suddenly.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahni, and today I'm extremely pleased to be chatting with Arjun Bijlani, the chocolate boy of television who's all set to conquer the world of Khatro Ke Khiladi. Hi, Arjun. How have you been?
I'm good. How are you, Rashika?
I'm good too. So, Arjun, firstly, tell me, we have all seen you on our small screens on the web platforms, in, of course, a film also. But now, Khatro Ke Khiladi, how did this come for you?
I think see Khatro Ke Khiladi is a show that I've been offered even before
Yeah.
thrice actually, because I've been doing shows on Colors, but I could not ever do it. The reason being the dates always clashed. Like when I was
Okay.
doing Ishq Mein Mar Jawa or when I was doing Nagin or any other show, the dates never matched. Then I started
Okay.
doing Dance Diwane, so it absolutely
Hmm.
didn't match. So this year I'm not doing Dance Diwane and I'm doing Khatro Ke Khiladi, and I'm really excited because this is something I always wanted to do. I don't think you would ever get a chance to do such kind of stunts and face your fears, yeah, even if you pay for it. So this is an opportunity. This is an opportunity I'm looking forward to. Go experience. And yes, I've seen a lot of my friends do it,
Yeah.
and whenever they come back they have one thing to say, that this is something you should try and experience in life. So I'm just going to go do that, and I'll try
Okay.
and win. Obviously I'm going to go there and win the show.
Yeah,
Give it my best.
I'm sure.
Yeah, give it my best, with those creepy crawlers, and there's so much drama that happens in Khatro Ke
Yeah.
Khiladi. And of course Rohit Shetty sir, Rohit sir is like he ups the game during the show also. So I'm really looking forward to interact with him also and have some fun.
That's great. And I'm sure every fan of yours is also waiting to watch you on
Yeah,
Khatro
they've
Ke
been
Khiladi.
telling me since when are you going to do a show? When are we going to see you back on on screen? And yeah, because the COVID situation is so bad that
Yeah,
and I keep meeting my mom, and so it's kind of scary. So I've kind of stayed away from anything that goes on continuously. But I think now I'm doing this show now, Khatro Ke Khiladi, whenever it happens, and maybe after that, I think most of us will be vaccinated by then, and then you can go full-fledged, full throttle, and start working again.
definitely. Yeah. And Arjun, what about the fear? So everyone has this one fear when they are going to Khatro Ke Khiladi. What is your biggest fear?
Yeah, those creepy crawlers. I mean, everyone has that one fear. Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, those are like really. I mean, it's weird. Those to have so many them on your body, on your face, and it's kind of it freaks everybody out. But I
Yeah.
think if you just keep your calm and you've decided, made up your mind. But I'm saying it right now. I don't know what will happen when I'm right there.
Yeah.
It's a different experience. It's a different feeling when you're right there, and you see them, and your mental state is different just before the stunt. So how much ever you prepare, whatever you think you can do out there, it's about that 2 3 minutes, 4 minutes, whatever that stunt is, what how you perform during that time. So I just uh, hope that I don't freak out looking at those creepies.
Yeah. Hopefully. And there are so many other names cropping up for Khatron Ke Khiladi. So many Big Boss 14 contestants like Rubina, Ijaz, Abhinav. So did you get a chance to talk to any of the other confirmed
No,
contestants
I
yet?
haven't spoken to anybody honestly, and I don't think I'll call up and start asking people, "Hey, are you doing it? Are you doing it?" I mean, it's okay. Whoever is going to be there, I mean, everyone is going to come there to win the show. Everyone's going to compete together, and I know most of them. We are from. I've been around for quite some time now, so I know most of them personally, and it's okay. I mean, that's healthy competition. When you enter the competition, everybody goes there to win, and may the best person win. Simple.
Definitely. Yeah. And, there's a notion which has been, I think, going on for quite some years now that once you do Khatron Ke Khiladi, in the next season, you're seen in Big Boss, or when you do Big Boss, you're seen in Khatron Ke Khiladi. That keeps happening because the swapping of contestants keeps happening between both the reality shows. So is Big Boss on the cards as well?
I don't know. I mean, I've been offered Big Boss as well a couple of times, but like I said, I've always been doing something or the other, and I don't know if Big Boss is my cup of tea or no. But I don't think I don't know as of now. I like I said before also. Never say
Mhm.
no. You don't know when you'll just say yes for something. It's like your state of mind during that time. As of
Yeah.
now, I don't know if I'll be doing Big Boss or no. So when the time comes, we'll see.
Okay. And Arjun, apart from, of course, acting and reality shows, you also are doing music videos. Your recent one with Ada Khan, Mohabbat Fir Ho Jayegi, that also became a massive hit. And in fact, I watched the video and it was really nicely shot and everything. So, do you feel that today, with the trending music videos, actors get an opportunity to connect better with the audience and their fans?
I don't know if it's an opportunity to connect better with your fans, but I think they are seeing us in a different light altogether. Usually, when songs are shot on TV, they're shot very differently. I
Yeah.
mean, it doesn't have that kind of quality that a music video would have, and it's
Mhm.
not. It's always a film song that is repeated again. You're
Yeah.
having new songs, really wonderful written songs, well sung songs, and being promoted well as well. And I think now we actors also can say, "Oh, this is my song," and usually only film guys have
Yeah.
that privilege to say, "अरे ये तो मेरा गाना है." तो चलो हम भी बोल देते हैं ये तो हमारा गाना है. And I'm just joking about that, but
Yeah.
honestly I think it's a trend that has started, and people are loving it. People are seeing their favorite actors or favorite jodis again,
Yeah.
and they're really excited to see them. And even singers are having a ball of a time with so many songs coming out which they probably wanted, but some films mustn't have taken it up, or for whatever reason those songs were not out. But I'm sure there are a lot of songs that they wanted people to hear, so all these songs are
Yeah.
coming out. So I think as long as it's entertaining, people are getting entertained, they are enjoying the songs, and that way it's a good connect with the audience.
I'm sure, definitely. And what about the web platforms? You also recently made your, transition into the web space. So, are you also planning to stick around the digital platforms?
See, I have never said everybody has this notion that I don't want to do TV, and I am only wanting to do films and web, and I've never said that on
Mhm.
record or anything of that. So it is just that because I did a web show, people perceive and feel that I don't want to do TV. TV has made me who I am, and I really respect the medium. Of course, I have not taken up a TV show because of various reasons, COVID being the main reason, and also because I've been getting offers, at the on the other OTT platform. So I want to explore the OTT platform. I've already done one show, State of Siege, which was very different. I got to play a very strong character of
Sandeep
yeah,
Unnikrishnan.
Sandeep Unikrishnan, and I was really really privileged to play that part. The director was a Hollywood director, and you have the cameraman who's from Hollywood, and suddenly you're like, oh my God,
Yeah.
what's happening? And I was really really happy to be a part of that project. So obviously I want to go a notch higher, do something better. do different characters. Nowadays, yes, you usually have a lot of film actors doing
Yeah,
the bigger shows on the OTT platform. But I'm sure, given a chance to me or any other actor who wants to be there and who wants to try out different characters, we shall fare equally well. But like I said, it's about the right opportunities, right time, and you got to keep striving. I have no complaints with anybody doing whatever work. I think everybody deserves to work in whatever they get. They deserve it, and I'm trying from my career and my characters. I want to do the things that I want to do, and I'm striving to do that. So obviously it's not easy. uh, I'm working on that, and I don't want to do any and every project as well. So sometimes
yeah,
your options are limited, and you got to choose the right one, because one wrong move here, and you know how things
of
work in the
course.
industry. So yeah.
Okay. And as you said, the medium, or you are not particularly attached or that sort, that I don't want to do TV or I don't want to do web. But what about this entire, Bollywood films, and so many actors we are seeing today from TV are making a very successful transition to Bollywood. There are so many to name. So have you ever thought about that?
Of course. I mean, like I said, it's about doing the right film
Yeah,
also. So there are see every there are a lot of talented actors in TV. There are a lot of
yeah,
but the thing is, every day everyone is not going to get the same opportunity. So it's also about luck. It's also about you getting that kind of a break, people believing in you, and feeling that no, we I think this actor will do really well. And it's about that one chance that you get, like for example, Moni or Ayushman.
yeah.
You get that big chance, and then
Hmm.
things start falling in place for you. And of course, you have to perform once you have that chance
Of course.
on the bigger platform. So yeah, so like I said, I'm also working on that, and really hoping that that uh, thing, this Bollywood dream that every actor has, even I have it, and it really works for me.
Okay. And we wish you all the very best for that.
Thank you.
I'm sure, once you enter the industry, we are going to see more of you in
Of
Bollywood.
course, of course.
Okay. Having said that, Arjun, do you feel, as someone who has been in TV, and as you mentioned, TV has given you a lot, so many people around the world know you because they have watched your shows on television. Do you feel even today, when we are growing as an industry, even then there are people who look down upon TV celebs? Because there have been TV celebs coming forward and talking about this issue.
I have traveled a lot, Rashika, for events. Even during IFA, I traveled. I'm telling you, for them, the fans abroad, for them, we are as big as film stars. Believe me,
No
the
doubt,
kind
no
of
doubt. Yeah,
adulation that a film star gets there, the same adulation. For them, we are actors. For
yeah,
them, oh, he's my favorite. For somebody, I might be more likable for that person than a Shah Rukh Khan or a Salman Khan. Because
yeah.
they watch my show, so for them, I am this person they like,
And
and
correct.
like so on and so forth. I'm not comparing myself to anybody,
Of
but I'm saying
course.
this is how audience treats us. Like, and a lot of
Hmm.
actors do agree that when they travel, the kind of
Yeah,
love they get, the kind of adulation, the kind of so-called importance that usually we see Bollywood actors getting. You get that same kind of importance there also, because they like you and you're popular there, and so they treat you equally. Having said that, in India थोड़ा वैसा है,
yeah,
अरे ये तो टीवी एक्टर है, and थोड़ा बहुत, but I think that's also changing in India also. I think there are a lot of people who love their TV
yeah,
actors. They are like, they really
definitely.
adore them. You see, for example, you're talking about Big Boss some time back. You see what happens when people enter Big Boss, and when they come out,
Yeah,
I mean, just see the kind of
ma-
change that happens in their life, and
massive
the
fan
way
following. Yeah,
people are treating them. So it's not like there's no love here, and
yeah,
but yes, uh, there are a section. I think there are a section of people who probably do that. Even in
Yes.
Bollywood, not everybody feels like that. There are very, very nice people who I have met during the course of my career and during Dance Divane. They've been extremely nice. They've been extremely warm, and I think everybody is doing their bit. They don't have anything against us, but I think. The business module of our industries works in such a way that it's assumed that these people won't work. I think that's why very few people get that chance, because it's just assumed कि ये नहीं होगा. It's not tried
हाँ.
and tested. But in fact, whenever it's tried and tested, in fact, it's always been successful.
Yes.
So
True.
yeah, so I think people just need to change, and I think actors just should be called actors. I mean, yes, there are. And even the media plays a very important role. The
Yeah.
media's headlines are only like that. Na TV actor does this, Bollywood actor does this. Actor Arjun Bijlani, it's never written. A few people write it, but mostly it's like TV actor Arjun Bijlani. So this whole demarcation of TV actor, ye actor, wo actor, Bollywood, Tollywood actor. So I guess it's for people's
Yeah.
memory. I don't know why is it written like that, but I just generally feel that it should be written as actor Arjun Bijlani, who stars
Yeah.
in so and so show. That sounds
True.
much,
Yeah.
nicer than writing the headline as that. So yeah.
Okay. But be rest assured, we don't use TV actor. We just start with Arjun Vijlani because everyone knows
Yeah, because
who
I've
these
been, see,
people
I'm
are.
not talking about
We,
myself. I'm just
yeah,
representing,
yeah, yeah.
because I've been
Everyone,
from the
yeah.
TV industry for such a long
I
time.
know.
I'm just representing the industry as a whole. For
I
me,
know. I
yes,
know.
now things have changed because I've been around
Of course.
15 years. I'm probably still relevant and done so much work. So wo thoda, respect, a lot of respect is there, and people, I've seen, when कोई newcomer होता है, when I was a newcomer, I was treated very differently. Now that I've
Yeah.
worked for so many years and still there, so I'm treated differently. But I feel that uh, every actor should be treated, whether new or no, with utmost respect. It should not be like the
Agreed.
minute any actor says anything or कुछ भी नया होता है तो अरे नया है इतना, but I mean, nobody even wants to hear them out. And the same thing when you say, when you're a known person, suddenly,
Yeah.
oh, he's so intelligent. Oh, let people want to reason out with you suddenly. So I just feel it's a little unfair, but yeah, I mean, no complaints. I mean, people will change eventually, as long as you
I'm
keep
sure.
talking about it and there are
Yeah.
debates about it, and actors don't lie down taking that kind of humiliation. I think to some extent even they are responsible, because when someone humiliates you, why do you sit there and अब
Yeah.
सबको लगता है मेरी जरूरत है तो मैं सुन लूं. But that's a little unfair.
Agreed completely. And Arjun, as you also mentioned in the last answer, that even being in this industry, even after 15 years, you have managed to be relevant. Even with new competition and new people, newcomers coming in, there is so much of you that we see, and there are so many people that love you for what you do. So, how have you managed to keep that stable?
Honestly, I have not done anything to, like, it's not some plan that I had in my mind or I'm going to do this. It's just
Yeah.
happened. Yes. I think I owe it to my audience who've been watching my shows over the years and who continue to watch me and, love me. And it's just them. I think we all actors pray and hope that we always be relevant to the industry. Uh, One thing I would give to myself is that I've always been very professional. I think that's one of the most important reasons
Yeah.
why I've survived in this industry, is because I'm always on time. I've always been a producer and a director's actor. Whenever they need an extra time, I've never said no. I never walked out of a set. I've never had any issues regarding these things. I'm always involved. If the director needs something, I'm always there. So I think these things also really count. A lot of
Yeah.
newcomers I've seen with my own eyes, and a lot of actors who really misbehave on set, and in one show they do, two shows they do, they think I don't know what. So I think this is what happens when you start, when you leave your humility and you start treating the people who you're working with and on set badly, I think then karma plays its role. Then
Yeah.
eventually, people will dislike you. I mean, you might be relevant for that particular point of time, so
Yeah.
they need you, so they will take everything that you're doing. But after a point, they'll be like, let it be. And we've seen such kind of examples.
We have definitely. Yeah.
So you got to be disciplined in life, is what I feel.
Okay, I'm sure. Okay, thank you so much, Arjun, for chatting with me. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. All the very best for Khatro Ke Khiladi and all
Thank
your
you so
future
much.
projects.
Just pray I win it,
Welcome.
okay?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.